If your gaming rig sounds like a jet engine or overheats after a few matches, you need better airflow. In 2025, PC cases aren't just about looks, they're about keeping those temps low and your FPS high. So here are the top 5 best airflow PC cases to build your next beast. Starting off with a budget-friendly airflow champ, the Cooler MasterBox NR600. This mid-tower case keeps it simple yet effective, featuring a fully meshed front panel for unrestricted airflow, a tempered glass side panel, and support for up to 6 fans or 240mm radiators. It fits ATX motherboards and even large GPUs while maintaining a minimal, elegant look. It's perfect for anyone who wants clean design, good thermals, and easy cable management without spending extra on fancy features. However, it lacks USB-C support, which might be a deal breaker for some modern setups. But if you want the same airflow power with a more aggressive design, wait till you see number 4. At number 4, we have the Fractal Design Meshify 2 Compact, a crowd favorite for airflow enthusiasts. This case features a signature angular mesh front panel, optimized for top-tier cooling and dust filtration. It supports up to 7 fans or dual 240mm radiators, with a flexible layout that lets you build compact, yet powerful rigs. The dark-tinted tempered glass side panel gives it a stealthy aesthetic, and Fractal's cable routing system keeps everything tidy. It's compact, easy to build in, and thermally efficient, ideal for gamers who love a clean, professional setup. The only con? It's not as spacious for bigger custom loops. Coming up next, a case that balances stunning design with excellent thermal performance. The NZXT H9 Flow takes airflow and aesthetics to a new level. This dual-chamber mid-tower case features tempered glass front and side panels with a perforated top for high airflow. It supports up to 10 fans or dual 360mm radiators, and NZXT's legendary cable management system makes it an absolute pleasure to build in. You can easily mount an AIO at the top or bottom for clean radiator setups, and the case's spacious layout makes GPU installation effortless. It looks premium, runs cool, and offers some of the best cable organization you'll find at this price point. If you love showing off your components, the H9 Flow is the one. But number 2 is for serious builders who want full tower power and airflow dominance. At number 2, meet the airflow monster, the CORSAIR 7000D Airflow. This full tower case is all about space and cooling performance. The high airflow steel front panel combined with 3 140mm air guide fans ensures powerful intake and exhaust. Inside, you've got room for up to 12 fans and triple 420mm radiators, which means this beast can easily handle custom liquid cooling loops. Cable management is a breeze thanks to CORSAIR's massive routing channels and hinge doors. The best part? Despite its size, the build experience feels premium and intuitive. It's big, bold, and built for those who want top-tier performance and silence. But the number 1 case on this list might just redefine airflow design in 2025. And the crown goes to the Lian Li O11 Vision, arguably the most stunning airflow case you'll see this year. It's designed with triple tempered glass panels, giving you an unobstructed view of your entire build. Inside, the dual-chamber layout ensures your cables stay hidden while airflow remains unobstructed, no clutter, no chaos. It supports up to 2 360mm radiators, 455mm GPUs, and has a removable motherboard tray that makes building easier than ever. This case strikes the perfect balance between elegance and performance. It's ideal for gamers, streamers, and PC modders who want both beauty and airflow perfection. If you want a case that cools like a champ and looks like art, the Lian Li O11 Vision is your best pick for 2025. You'll find all these cases linked in the description below. Check the latest prices and build your dream setup today. If this video helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech gear roundups, and tell me in the comments. Thanks for watching, and remember, a cool PC isn't just quieter. It performs better, lasts longer, and looks way cooler.